Today we've got a special treat, key cataloging. Oh, we all know how much fun that is. You've got hundreds of keys and you're on a truck and someone comes up with a key and they say, "Oh, sir, can you make me a key?" And you go, yeah, I think I might be able to. What do I do? Well, guess what? This company right here has come to the rescue. It has a key reader that's just for us locksmiths. Now, let's just take a key, any key, right? Now, where do you put your keys in a truck? Well, you throw them in bins, don't you? You got them in drawers and all kinds of stuff. You just don't know what you really have, do you? I'm sure you don't. You know what I mean. I mean, they're in boxes and bags, and you go, "Oh, I know where that key's at. Let me find that key." Well, guess what? With this little machine and a couple of other little tips that you might appreciate, you can make it easy. So let's just take any key. I'll just take the top one here because it's easier to find in my little book here, but we'll just take this key. I don't know what this key is. Let's say, I just don't know. It's an odd key. I don't know what it is. So it came out of A1. Watch this. Wait for it. You're going to blow your mind. I've stuck the key and you got the profile here. So if you got a Ilko book, you can tell from the profile what that looks like. Oh, where is this key in my key inventory mess? It's right here. It's in A1. So I just touched the A1. You know, just to make sure, because I've got more information behind there. And I touch that little key that show the keys that the A1, actually all the manufacturers of that same key. Look at this. And what it'll fit. It'll fit all kinds of stuff. You may or may not have known that. I'm sure you do, though. So now let's go down to the Key Hall of Fame button, and we're going to push that, and now I'm going to see what I have. So it's an A1 slot, because how am I going to know? And then it's a SC1, and I own an ITL machine, one of the few people that have one of those wonderful machines, ITL, and it's on page 54. So you need to mark the page, and this makes it real simple. Now, let's go a step further. We're going to drill down a step further, even though this is fabulous, right? So the people say, okay, I have a key, and let's say your machine is turned off and you just can't use it, or something crazy happened, and you just walk up and you hold their key up and you go, I know, I think I have that key. And you look in your key directory, plastic earring holders. Look at this. It's so simple to do, guys. I know it takes time, but it makes it easy. Oh, there's the key. I think that's the key. You lay it up on it, and you can see it both ways. Look at here. And, I think it is the key. I think it is. Maybe not. Nope, that's not the key. Look at here. So this is the one right here. So, and I have the same tag on it. It's an ITL page 54. It's a Schlage key, and it's an SC1. Whoa! And I can find it in A1. Boom, I got it. So there's a simple little way of doing it with cheap. These are only 12 bucks. They're for earrings. And you can catalog all your keys that you got laying around. And then you need a thermal printer, right? It's just so nice. I love these little printers. And if you have your wife do it, maybe it'll be straight. I don't know. At the time, I thought I was doing good. But, it's so hard to know what's in here. I mean, it really is. Look at all this junk. I got assortments of keys, right? Different bags full of keys. So how would I ever know what's in there? Different lengths. The people go, "Oh, I got a key. I don't know what to do, Mr. Walker." Oh, well, guess what? I can find the key. Finally. You'll say, whoa. So hopefully that'll be helpful. Now, I did cut some papers and put in here, like if it's a cabinet lock, that gets me closer. I have the beginning of this, it's all cabinet locks. So it makes it simple. But really, honestly, this machine right here, and it can run on 24 volts or 12 volts. It's quite useful machine. I don't really know what I would do without it. I love it because it tells me other key brands I can purchase. Because, you know, when you call up your company that sells you the keys, oh, talking about that, what is this? FedEx to the rescue, because you never can have too many keys, right? I mean, that's how we spend our extra money after we just earn $40. You spend $40 back in keys. Oh, looky here. What is it? Oh, yes, it is. Hold on. It's more keys, just what a locksmith needs. And I got these from a really nice place. Look at this. UHS Hardware. Great place. Buy them online. You'll save a bunch. They're always on sale. I bought some knockoff brands just for fun because, you know, I don't really use these keys this size. And I thought, you know what, I'll just buy some knockoff stuff. See, they're all just, well, this is nickel, silver and nickel. So these are pretty good keys right here. These are Ilkos. But these, you know, what are these? What is the brand here? These are for Titans. I mean, we don't really cut many Titan keys. But anyway, got some of those and some more. So guess what I'm going to be doing? I'm going to be using, oh, got to have these, by the way. Forgot about this. So if you're going to tag something, you got to have some made by this company, Lucky Line. And you write all the information on these teeny weeny tags and put them in the earring holders, right? And, oh boy. And try not to let your wife see this because, you know, you have to buy an extra set for her. And then she can carry this in her purse because that's how small it is. They suggest that carrying your earrings in your purse. Can you imagine having that? Anyway, I'm thinking you're going to like this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Please push the like button and subscribe because more videos are on the way. I'm just getting started. Have a great day.